Why'd I put the camera back there? I don't know. I definitely can't talk and vlog with it like that. Unless you want to talk and vlog and see the back of my head. But it's back there and I'm not moving it, so it is what it is. In case. This is gonna be a quick vlog. I don't even know what to call these things. Vlog, whatever. But it's just a food vlog. I'm gonna go get me some lemon pepper wings from somewhere. And then I wanna go see this movie Jurassic Park. But I kinda don't wanna go see it by myself. And my daughter is working. So that's a dilemma. So I guess I won't be going to see Jurassic Park. In any case, we'll make this a rear view camera. Okay. Let's do this YouTube video. I haven't did one of these in a minute. This whole vlogging thing. But some good news was, man, this car is filthy. I'm not gonna watch it. That's not the good news. So good news was, I looked at my little YouTube account, and YouTube has monetized the channel. No notice, of course. They have the worst communication skills. There's no notice, no email, nothing. Just I look in the account, I see the little green icons for the video, the little dollar icons, and that means your account is monetized. And then the little icon that says monetized or not is actually on there. So they said late June it is. So that's a good thing. But, you know, like I've always said, I didn't really do this thing for no money, because I didn't really think no money was in it, to be honest with you. Still don't think no money is in it. I mean, it takes that for 1,000 views. Well, they said you get maybe $1, $2. So you can see you got to get millions of views to get something. So that's neither here nor there. I mean, you know, if I make a couple of $100 off of it every 6 months, I ain't gonna complain about it. I mean, you know, it is gonna put me in a higher tax bracket. But okay, I don't know what's wrong with this damn phone. It's too hot. It's hot. The camera must be too hot. Anyway, what I'm about to do is go to the gym, work out, and those are nice apartments. I really wouldn't like them over here if I'm buying a house, but those are some nice apartments. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go to the gym, man. Told y'all that damn Nicole Murphy. Y'all want to send Nicole Murphy a link or something saying that, you know, she motivated a dude to go work out. She did. She got this one video where she doing hip pelvic thrusts. Oh my God. She doing like the real pelvic thrust. Like, look, I ain't no pervert. That shit was fire. I seen pelvic thrust done at the Zumba class, but the way she was doing that shit, I went to the gym the same day. what? I need to get motivated. I need to get my exercise on because that damn Nicole Murphy. I mean, you know, I might have a shot. I do drive a Corvette. There's a hater's gonna eat that up. The hater's gonna eat that up. But yeah, I need my Nicole Murphy. Nicole Murphy a fine motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie to you. Nicole Murphy, Angela Bassett, Beyonce, Kelly Rowland from what's called them 4 chicks. I mean, that's just unattainable. But them some bad ones. Angela Bassett can have my whole wallet. It ain't nothing in it, but she can have the motherfucker. You know, Angela Bassett is bad. But nah, seriously, I need to go out here and get this workout on, man. I'm just gonna play some racquetball. I'm gonna be out here trying to, you know, buff up enough. I just try to stay toned and fit. And hopefully this new water only situation is gonna help me with my stomach. You know, cause I got like a 3.5 pack. I need to, you know, keep it up. This car can still run pretty good with the air conditioner on too. That's kind of unusual. I had a 300ZX, man. When you turn the air conditioner on, the power just went done. You weren't finna do no pulls or nothing in it. It wasn't turbo either, so it was already pretty weak. I mean, 300ZX normally aspirated back then. This was a 2000. Oh no, this was a 98, 99. I mean, I don't think it had like 260 horsepower, if that. I mean, for that small car, you'd think that would be enough, but it was underpowered. But this car, you can still run it hard with the AC on. I do notice a difference with the AC off, but I think that's just normal. You know, put the car in the low with the air conditioner, it's going. Damn, this truck bad as hell. I gotta watch my language now since YouTube is trying to pay somebody. They don't do all that cursing. They'll demonetize the whole damn channel. I just cursed again. Like I said, I ain't doing it for money no way. State troopers don't be playing, bro. I don't like them to pull me over for nothing. Don't even say hi. Let me go on by my way. Officer of the God law. I enjoyed this car in 3 days. And you can tell too. I also think I might need a wheel align because this thing kind of, it goes to left. I would be surprised this fucking car ain't been wrecked and they didn't even tell me about it. It don't look like it. CarMax didn't say it. You ever want to find out if them cars been wrecked? Take your shit to CarMax and let them do a appraisal. CarMax will tell you everything that's wrong with that car. I mean, you think that they not thorough, you know, the person they got out there doing those, what's it called? They ain't even drive this car. They ain't even test drive. I said, why y'all ain't test drive? They don't even test drive the new cars that, you know, they pretty much can tell ain't much wrong. I like, okay. Plus, it was a 5-speed, that person they had doing, 7-speed manual. The person they had doing, they couldn't do manual transmissions. I didn't care if she drove it or not. She was, you know, she wasn't gonna find nothing wrong with this one. Transmission might have jumped out the motherfucker. No. I gotta realize I can't be cursing. Oh, that's the popo right there. That's more work for me. Around in this 104-degree heat with a damn sunroof with T-tops and convertible top off. I don't need no 10. So I won't be doing that. About the medical field too, medical treatment, right? And I got health insurance. They already told me that you got a pinched nerve in your shoulder, but you're not a candidate for surgery. Well, I mean, what you had to do to be a candidate for surgery? If you, the doctor, say I got a pinched nerve, you say, and I'm telling you that my whole arm goes dead if I put it in a certain position. Well, what does it take for you to be a candidate? The shit got to like fall off. Your fingers got to stop working. I mean, what does it take to be a candidate for surgery? I don't get it. You're not a candidate for surgery. Basically, what they're saying is, I ain't worth spending $50,000 to $60,000 for the surgeon to do that. Your ass gotta hurt a little bit more. But what I'm gonna do is go in there and tell my doctor, I don't give a bleep about being a candidate. Bro, you need to fix this, man. I mean, cause I can work out, you know, and do certain things, but I can't, if I lean on it, if I like lean over a chair like this, oh my God, bruh, it's painful. It's real painful. But I think what I'm gonna do now that YouTube is trying to pay me, you know, $5 or $10 every 200 videos. That's a joke, but it might be true. I think I can at least do a lot more videos. Maybe have a few more giveaways. You know, if they give me some money, I do a few more giveaways. And that wants to get their YouTube channel with some giveaways and stuff. But definitely want to do a lot more car videos. I need to find a way to get some driving shots because this car drives like it drives beautifully. It's small though. I mean, I'm 5'11", almost 6 feet, 95, 200 pounds. I don't want to admit to that 200, but yeah, 195, 200 pounds. But I get a little claustrophobic in here. I wouldn't be able to drive this thing every day like some people do. It's just too much. You know, I'm glad I got a truck. I would really like to get me a used Mercedes E350. Yeah, a friend of mine, Brenda, got one. Man, that car rides so good. I'm talking about, you just go to sleep when you get in that sucker. You're in the passenger side. It rides great. And you can find one real cheap now, especially like a 2011, 12, 13. I've seen them as low as 11,000, as high as, you know, like 16. But yeah, you can find them everywhere. This old dude told me, man, I would not park that car under no tree. Let them birds get on it. You know, he is right. Especially since I don't really think my ceramic coating was ceramic coated. I think I'd investigate that. Find out. Okay, bro. Why is my car got scratches on it if you ceramically coated? Because if you ceramic coat a car, it's like putting a protective shield of glass or whatever on it. The paint should not get scratched. If I show you this car, you look at some of these scratches, you be like, that shit ain't been painted ceramic coated. Somebody shot you a ghost. But I'm taking it back. And, you know, the dude's pretty cool. So, he'll take care of it.